In this video I am going to show you how to see and delete all your YouTube comments. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And unfortunately you can't do it using your YouTube application, so you have to use your web browser. That means that this feature works on Android and on iOS as well. So first open up your browser and here go to youtube.com, and there it shows up mobile version of that site, and all you have to do is hit at that letters icon and select request desktop website. Now here is desktop website, and you have to log into your account if you haven't done that before. And once you are logged in, just swipe to the very left corner and here tap at this three lines icon. From here tap at history and then scroll to the very right, and here you can find manage all history section and there select comments. So it brings you to that page where you can check all your comments. There is the video and the exact date when you left that comment, and now first you can go to that video, watch it if you want, and also you can delete any of that comments. Just hit at this little X icon, and now that comment was successfully deleted. You can hit at got it and continue surfing through your comments, and if you wish you can delete them all just by doing the same steps. Hit an X and then hit at delete. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.